Let's discuss exercise 12F. Question number 1. A. So we need to find the equation of the tangent to the curve. So there's a curve and we need to find the tangent at this point 2, 0. Equation of the tangent. So first of all, we'll find the gradient of this curve. The curve is y equal x square minus 7x plus 10. So gradient of the curve dy over dx is 2x minus 7. So this gradient is any point of the curve. Now I need uh, at x equal to so 2 square minus 7 times 2 plus 10, which is 4 minus 14 plus 10. So this is going to be 0. I think I consider plus 10 here. No, this is the one. So this is not 0. 2 times 2, 4 minus 7. This is the one. I accidentally put to this one. Apply to this. So 4 minus 7, which is 3. Minus 3. Now the gradient of this curve at this point mean the same, it is equal to the tangent. So this is equal to the, hence gradient of the tangent is minus 3. Now we can write the equation of the line. Hence the equation is, now we have a gradient minus 3 and a point we have 2, 3, m equal minus 3, a point to 0. So y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Now let's simplify. So y plus 3x equal 6. Y over x plus 1 over x at the point 2, 2.5. So we want to find the tangent. So we have a curve. So in this point 2, 2.5, we need to find the equation of this tangent. So if I know the gradient, then I can write because I know a point. So we know how to find the gradient now. So this is y equal x plus x minus 1 dy over dx is 1 plus minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1, which is 1 plus, this minus become minus 1 x minus 2. It means 1 minus 1 over x square. So dy by dx. Now let's find this is any point. The gradient of any point at x equal 2. Then, so this is the one, 1 minus 1 over 2 square equal 1 minus 1 over 4. This is 3 over 4. So we know gradient of the curve at point 2.5 is equal to the gradient equal to the gradient of the tangent line at point 2.5. So now we know the gradient of this one is 3 over 4. Now this is GCSE here 10. This is 2.5 and you have a gradient m equals 3 over 4. Now you know how to write the equation of a line. So equation of the gradient is y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 mean 2.5 equal m 3 over 4 times x minus x1. I will write this is 5 over 2. So y minus y over 2 equal 3 over 4x 8 over 4. So sorry, 6 over 4. Now y minus 3 over 4x equal, I bring this one to here. This is 6 over 4 means 3 over 2. I'll bring this one to here. So it is going to be 5 over 2 minus, this is when I cancel out 2 and 3 minus 3 over 2. This is 2 over 2 is 1. Now y over 3 over 4x equal 1. Now I can multiply by 4. When I multiply by 4, this is going to be 4y minus 3x equal 4. Now we have an equation y equal 4x 1 half. We have 0.912. So we need, this is 9 and 12. We need to find this tangent equation. First of all, dy by dx. Or half a times x half a minus 1, which is, this is cancel out 2x minus half, which is 2 over square root x minus half, 2 over x half means square root x. Now dy over dx, at which point we need now? X equal 9. Now 2 over square root 9, it means 2 over 3. Now you have a point 9 and 12. Now you have a gradient 2 over 3. Now we'll write the equation of this line. So equation of tangent y minus y equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 12 equal 2 over 3 times x minus 9. So this is y minus 12 equal 2x over 3 minus 4. Because 2 times 3 times 9, this is 2. 2 times 2, 4. That's how I, this one. So y equal minus 12 to other side, this one to here. Y minus 2x over 3 equal 12 minus 4 is 8. Now y minus 2x over 3 equal 8, then multiply by, I think this is 2 over 3 over 9 is not 4. 3 times 3, so this is going to be 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So this value is 6. Now I multiply by 3. 3y minus 2x equal 18. Each and every term multiply by 3 to get rid of this denominator 3. Question D, y equal 2x minus 1 over x. The point is 1, 1. So first of all, let's find dy by dx. Before that, we have to simplify. Y equal to minus x minus 1. So dy over dx is, so this is become 0 minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1. So answer is x minus 2. So when dy dx when x equal 1, 1 over 1 square, 1 over 1 equal 1. Now gradient is 1. Point is given. Hence equation of tangent at 1, 1. Not everywhere, only 1, 1. So y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 1 equal m also 1, x minus, that is also 1. So y minus 1 equal x minus 1. Minus 1 to minus 1 cancel, y equal x. Or you can bring y equal x minus 1 plus 1, y equal x. Yeah, the question is if y equal, and this point is minus 1, 2. So dy by dx is 2 times 2x plus 6. So 4x plus 6 dy over dx, 4x plus 6. At x equal minus 1 dy over dx when x equal minus 1. So 4 times minus 1 plus 6. So this is minus 4 plus 6 is 2. I think this is x cube. So then this is going to be 3, 2, 3x square. So then this is the issue. Then 2 times 3 is, this is going to be 6x square plus 6. Yeah, 6x square plus 6. Now I have to rework this one. Sorry about this. 2 times minus 1 square. Sorry, 6 plus 6. So this is going to be 6 plus 6 equal 12. And now we know gradient is 12. Now equation of tangent line at point minus 1 to y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus 2 equal 12 times x minus minus 1. So y minus 2 equal 12 times x plus 1. Y minus 2 equal 12x plus 12. So y minus 12x equal 2 plus 12. So y minus 12 equal 14. Question number F. Point is 1 minus 6, and this is the curve. So we'll simplify for the differentiation. Now we'll do it. Dy dx 2x minus 7 minus 2x minus 2 minus 1. So 2x, this is going to be 7 times 2 plus 14 minus times x minus 3. It means 2x plus 14 over x3. So dy over dx, when x equal 1, 2 times 1 plus 14 over 1 cube, which is 2 plus 14, 16. Now, equation of tangent at 1 minus 6. Y minus 1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus 1 equal from y minus, what is y value? Minus 6 equal m times 16 times x minus 1. So y plus 6 equal 16x minus 16. So 6 here, 16 here, y minus 16 equal minus 6 minus 16 minus 22. So y minus 16x equal minus 22. If you want to give y equal mx plus c form, so y equals 16x minus 22. Question number 2. The curve is y equal x square minus 5x. Now we have the curve, and this is the tangent, and at 6 6, this point is 6 6, and we don't need tangent now. No tangent. We need normal. Normal means normal through this point. So we know a point. We need the gradient of this curve. So what is the plan now? We'll find the tangent gradient. Then this is perpendicular. Then we can find this gradient. So first of all, differentiation. Dy over dx at 2x minus 5. Now at x equals 6, dy over dx equal 2 times 6 minus 5. 12 minus 5, 7. So tangent gradient at 6 6 is 7. So this is 7. So this is perpendicular. Let's take the gradient of normal is m. So this is m. When you multiply m and 7, what is the answer? Should be minus 1. So m equal minus 1 over 7. If this is 7, the perpendicular gradient is minus 1 over 7. Now we'll write the equation. So equation of the normal, not tangent, at 6 6. So y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 means 6 equal m minus 1 over 7 times x minus x1 is again 6. So we'll take this one out now, simplify. Y minus 6 equal minus x over 7 plus 6 over 7. Y equal minus x over 7 plus 6 over 7 plus 6. Y equal minus x over 7, 48 over 7. Let me see whether my calculation is right again. Yeah, looks like okay. So this is 7y equal minus x 40. Actually this is, we can write this form, y equal mx plus c. So y equal x square minus 8 over square root x, and the point is 2 5. Point is 2 5. We need the normal equation of the tangent. So we'll start now. Y equal x square 8 x minus half. This is x half I'll bring up. So dy by dx is 2x minus 8 minus half x minus half minus 1, which is 2x. This is going to be plus 4x minus 3 over 2. It means 2x plus 4 over 3 over 2. Now dy dx at which point x equal to. So we'll get the tangent radian. 2 times 2 plus 4 over 2, 3 over 2. I think I pick up the wrong point. This is 4 and 12. I pick up the next sum point. So again, it's going to be 2 times 4 plus 4 over 4 over 3 over 2. So this is 8 and 4 over, what is this value? 4, 3 over 2. You can come this way. 4 half 3. The same thing. So 4 half is square root 4. So square root 4 is 2. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. So this value is 8. So we'll make half now. So 8 over 4 over 8 means half. So 8.5. Now, okay, I will stay with 8 plus half, 17 over 2, without doing decimals. Now, so gradient of normal. So let's say gradient of normal m. So m times 17 over 2 should be minus 1. Then m equal minus 2 over 7. Then y minus y1. Now we have the point 412 and we have the gradient now minus 2 over 17. We'll write the point now. Y minus y equal m times x minus x1. Y minus 12 equal minus 2 over 17 x minus 4. So y minus 12 equal minus 2x over 17 plus 8 over 17. Y equal minus 2x over 17. 8 over 17 plus 12. So this is y equal 2 over 7 over 17 plus 212 over 17 x. Question number 3. Find the coordinate of the point where the tangent curve y equal x square plus 1 at point 25 meets the normal to the same curve at the point 12. So you have curve and you have a tangent, and that tangent point is 25, right? And you have another tangent. So this is at 1 2. Right? We don't need this tangent, we consider this normal. This is 90. Right? They will meet here. So we need to find the coordinate of this point. This is a tangent. This tangent will cross with the normal at 1 1 2. Now we need to find, now first of all find the equation of this tangent as usual. Dy over dx, we need 2x plus 0, which is 2x. Now dy at dx at x equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. So gradient of this one is 4. Now we'll find the equation of tangent at 2 5. Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus 5 equal 4 times x minus 5. X minus, sorry, 2. X value is 2. So y minus 5 equal 4x minus 8. Y minus 4x equal minus 3. Minus 5 to other side. So when you simplify, now we'll find this one. So to find this gradient, we need to find this gradient first, the tangent line gradient. So dy by dx at x equal 1. So this is equal. So you have to write very small letters here. I'm writing very big. X equal 1. So 2 times 1, which is 2. So this gradient, let's say m1 is 2. Now you know this gradient is minus half perpendicular gradient, but we want to show m1 times 2 equal minus 1, m1 equal minus half. Now you have a gradient minus half, and you have point 1 2, because this line go through this 1 2 point. So I will write y minus y1 equal gradient of, this is gradient of normal, okay, not gradient, equation of normal at 1 2. So y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 mean 2, m mean minus half, x minus 1. So this is going to be y minus 2 equal minus half x plus half. This is y equal y plus half x equal 5 over 2. Minus 2 to other side is 2. 2 plus half 2.5 mean 5 over 2. Then multiply by 2 eastward, 2y plus x equal 5. Let me check my calculation now. So equation of this line is 2y plus x equal 5. Equation of this line is y minus 4x equal minus 3. Now we need to find this coordinate. Then we want to solve this one simultaneously. So y equal minus uh, y equal minus 4x minus 3, y plus x equal 5. So I will y minus 4x equal minus 3 multiplied by 4, 4y plus 4x equal 20. So we'll add those two together. This is 17, this is cancel out 5y. Y equals 17 over 5. Nothing that this is 2y plus x. I equal 5, I write y, though this has to be 2. Then this is going to be 2 times 4 times 2, 8. 8y plus, right? So then 8 plus y, 9. 9y equals 17. This is 17 over 9. And then you can find x is 11 over 9. So this point is 11 over 9 and 17 over 9. Question number 4. The curve is this one. X3 and two curves. One is 0, 0 tangent. So this is the normal. And another point here, that is 1, 2 actually. Let me change the side. This is 0, 0. And this is the normal. And this is 1, 2. And this is the normal. So normal meets. So what is the plan now? To find this equation of this line. Yes, point is here, but we need the gradient. So M1. M1 we can find from here if we know the tangent. Same as for this one. To find this one, we have the point, we need the gradient M2. So the same way we can calculate. So we'll start. So first of all, find the gradient. First of all, get dy by dx. Now, gradient of tangent at 0, 0. So dy over dx. I'm talking about the gradient of this line, dy dx, when x equal 0. 1 plus 3 times 0 square, which is 1. So gradient of this one is 1 now. I'll take m0. So this is 1. Then since you know this is 1, m1 times 1 is minus 1, because we know that perpendicular gradient we can find. M1 is minus 1. Now this is minus 1 you found out. Gradient equal Now the formula y minus, now equation of normal at 0, 0. Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus 0 equal minus 1 times x minus 0. Y equal minus x. Now this one. We'll work out this gradient tangent. Gradient of the tangent at 1, 2. Gradient of the tangent at 1, 2. So dy over dx we have in curve equation, this one at x equal 1. So then 1 plus 3 times 1 square, which is 4. Now we'll find the gradient of normal at 1, 2. So this is gradient of normal at 0, 0. This is gradient of normal at 1, 2. We know that perpendicular gradient, this is 4. We need the perpendicular gradient m2. So m2 times 4 equal minus 1. m2 equal minus 1 over 4. Now y minus y1. Now equation of normal at 1, 2. Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 mean 2 equal m. M we found out minus 1 over 4 x minus x1. X minus 1. This is 1 because this one going through 1, 2 point. Y minus 2 equal minus x over 4 plus 1 over 4. So y plus x over 4 equal 9 over 4. So multiply by 4. 4y plus x equal 9. Now we have two equations to solve. Y equal minus x to get this point coordinate, and 4, which is okay, 4y plus x equal 9. Now instead of y I can write minus x. 4 minus x plus x equal 9. So minus 4x plus x equal 9 minus 3x equal 9, x equal minus 3. When x equal minus 3, y equal 3. Y equal 3. So this point is minus 3, 3. Question 5, we need to find the tangent at minus x equal minus 1. We want to find tangent and the normal. Now find the equation, we need this point as well, so we'll simplify this one. F minus 1 so this point is 18. Now tangent minus 118 will get the tangent radian. So we'll get the dy by dx plus f dash x equal 0 minus 4 plus 4x, which is 4x minus 4. So f dash at x equal minus 1, f dash minus 1 equal 4 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. So we found out the gradient is m minus 8. We'll write the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at minus 118. Y minus y equal m times x minus x1. Now y minus 18 equal minus 8 times m x minus minus 1. Y minus 18 equal 8x minus 8. Minus times minus plus, plus multiply by minus, minus 8. So y minus 8x plus 8x equal, this is here, this is here. 18 minus 8 is 10. So y plus 8x equal 10. So this is y plus 8x equal 10. Now we need to find the normal, this one. So we'll get this gradient, we'll take m2. We know, this gradient is minus 8. Then this is going to be 108. So we'll show that one. m2 times minus 8 has to be minus 1. Then m2 equal 108. So this is the which gradient? Gradient of normal at minus 118. Now you have the point and you found out gradient 1 over 8. Now we'll work y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y is y and this is y minus 80. M is 1 over 8 now. X minus minus 1. So y minus 18 equal 1 over 8x plus 1 over 8. So y minus 1 over 8x equal 18 plus 1 over 8. So y minus 1 over 8x equal 145 over 8. I think my calculation, I believe, right. If not, the method is right. Number 6. The point P with x coordinate half lies on the curve with the equation y equal to x squared. So there is a point, there's a curve. On this curve there is a point, that point P, and x coordinate of this point is half. And we have to find the y. Okay, we'll find the y to when x equal half y, half a square. So 2 times 1 over 4. Again, it is going to be, unfortunately, half. So this is also now half. Now, this normal to this point. So this is tangent to this point. So this is normal to this point. And this point meet again the curve at Q. Now we want to find the coordinate of Q. So we know the equation of this one, y equal to x square. Equation of this one, y equal to x square. And if we know the equation of this one, then we can solve and get this point. What is this one? This is the normal to this point. Now we'll find the equation of the normal to this point. So first of all, differentiation, y equal 2x square. So dy over dx is 4x. Now tangent equation, gradient, no, tangent gradient. So d over dx at x equal half. So 4 times half, which is 2. Now this gradient is 2. Now we want to find the perpendicular gradient m. We know this is minus half. We'll show that. M times 2 equal minus 1. M equal minus half. Gradient of the normal at half half. Now we know this is minus half. Now we have to write what? Now we have to write the equation of this one. Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So this is going to be y minus half equal, what is the minus half times x minus half. I will rewrite y minus y1 half equal gradient is minus half times x minus x1 is again half. So y minus half x plus 1 over 4. So y plus half x equal half plus 1 over 4. So this is 3 over 4. Now we have the gradient y equal half x 3 over y. I will write y equal minus half x plus 3 over 4. Now we know this gradient equation of this line, y equal minus half x plus 3 over 4. When we solve those two, I get this one. So now we'll start solving. Y equal 2x square, then y equal minus half x plus 3 over 4. So I'll substitute, okay, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. So 1 equal to I will write, so because they both same, okay. From 1 and 2 you can write 2x square equal minus x plus 3. So multiply by 2, 4x square equal minus x plus 3. So 4x square plus x minus 3 equals 0. I think here this is 3 over 4. I have to multiply by not 2, 4. So this is going to be 8x square. This is minus 2x plus 3. Each and every section multiply by 8. This is 4 divided by 2 is 2. This is 3. So 8x square plus 2x minus 3 equal 0. So I can factorize 4x plus 3 and 2x minus 1 equals 0. 4x plus 3 equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0. X equal minus 3 over 4 or x equal half. So we got 1 point B, because when we solve these two, this curve and the line, right, those are the two intersection points. So 1 equal x equal half, we got this one. The q is going to be minus 3 over 4. Now you can see that this is a curve and this is a line. How many intersection points? two intersection points. So when you solve these two equations, you are expecting two x answers. Then one is going to be half, which already we have. The other one is the q. Now we need to find the y value. So we'll put when x equal minus 3 over 4, y equal 2x square, y equal 2 times minus 3 over 4 square. So which is 2 times 9 over 16. So this is 9 over 8. So then minus 3 over 4, 9 over 8. 9 over 8. Now here there is no anything JCSC. Only the A level is dy by dx, and that's all. All other year 11, year 9, year 10 level knowledge. Because you know how to solve two equation. So this is also year 10 part.